everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Triple P with me, Surya Sridhar, and my dad. So guys, I'm right now at the beautiful Sao Bento station, and we're going to be taking a day trip to Aveiro, which is the Venice of Portugal. And the best part of this whole thing is that it only costed us €2 to go and come back per person. That's an amazing deal. It's only there on Sundays, so I highly recommend that next time when you guys come to Porto and you want to take a day trip, go for this deal. It's absolutely fantastic. So let's go and get started.
Come on guys, let's go! Let's rock!
As we had another hour left before the train's departure, we decided to quickly grab ourselves a Portuguese pingo. It means a drop and refers to the drop of milk put into the espresso, a much loved drink in Portugal. The train journey in itself was around 1 hour 15 minutes long, but time really flew by as we ended up chatting with a really sweet couple. They ended up inviting me to stay in their home in Malta to take videos of the place for my channel. What an exciting opportunity! When we finally arrived and made our way to the river cruise, the first thing that struck me was the artsy vibe of the place. Wall paintings, colorful murals, abstract statues, and beautiful azure tilings on buildings. But even more stunning were the boats cruising through the canals. We quickly got our tickets, €10 each, and got on with the group, as well as our personal guide, who seriously impressed me with her language skills. She spoke Portuguese, English, Spanish, as well as French. Very informative. We firstly learned about the famous Molicheiros boats that were traditionally used to harvest seaweed to fertilize the soils. What makes them so special is not only the shape, but the beautiful depictions drawn on them. Every boat has its own unique paintings on it, whether it be of a historical figure, a day-to-day activity, or even a religious symbol. We also got a chance to explore the older and more modern sides of town, learn about the salt mining process, as well as the pivotal role of fishermen. After the tour, we decided to go buy an ice cream and explore the city by foot. We passed by quaint coffee shops, beautiful churches, blue-tiled houses, until we came upon an awesome market selling artistic paintings, local baked delights, extra virgin olive oil, hand-woven textiles, as well as wood-carved furniture. It had everything. Unfortunately, we didn't get the time to explore more, but in case you are there longer during your visit, don't forget to stop by the colorful Costa Nova Beach, the historic Aveiro Museum, and the lush Parque do Infante. It is definitely worth it. Okay everybody, that takes us to the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed this day trip to Aveiro and that you'll be making your way here very soon. See you guys next time.